Sri Lanka is a beautiful island nation located in South Asia. It is renowned for its stunning landscapes, rich cultural heritage, and warm hospitality. Here are some of the reasons why Sri Lanka is considered a beautiful destination. Sri Lanka offers diverse and picturesque landscapes, ranging from golden beaches to misty mountains, lush green tea plantations, and serene lakes. The island's natural beauty is truly captivating. Sri Lanka boasts a coastline dotted with beautiful beaches. Whether you want to relax on sandy shores, engage in water sports, or witness stunning sunsets, the beaches of Sri Lanka have something for everyone. The country is steeped in history, and you can explore ancient cities like Anuradhapura, Polonnaruwa, and Sigiriya. These sites are home to ancient temples, stupas, and impressive architectural wonders. Sri Lanka is a biodiversity hotspot with a wide array of flora and fauna. Yala National Park and Walla National Park are popular spots to witness elephants, leopards, and a variety of bird species. The hill country of Sri Lanka, particularly places like Nuwara Elaya and Ella, is famous for its tea plantations. The rolling hills covered in vibrant green tea leaves create a mesmerizing landscape. Sri Lanka is a melting pot of various cultures and traditions. You can experience a rich tapestry of customs, festivals, music, dance, and mouth-watering cuisine. The country boasts numerous waterfalls, such as Dayaluma Falls and Bambarakanda Falls, which cascade down the hills and create stunning vistas. Whale watching. The coastal regions of Sri Lanka offer excellent opportunities for whale and dolphin watching, making it a thrilling and unforgettable experience. Hiking and trekking. The hilly terrains and lush forests provide fantastic opportunities for hiking and trekking enthusiasts to explore nature up close. Sunrise at Adams Peak. Climbing Adams Peak to witness the breathtaking sunrise is an iconic activity for many travelers visiting Sri Lanka. These are just a few examples of the beauty that Sri Lanka has to offer. The combination of its natural wonders, cultural heritage, and warm-hearted people make it a truly beautiful and enchanting destination. There are several amazing places to visit in Sri Lanka, each offering unique experiences. Here are some of the best places to travel in Sri Lanka. Number 1. Colombo, the capital city. Colombo offers a mix of modern and historical attractions, such as the National Museum, Gangaramaya Temple, and the bustling Peta Market. Enjoy the coastal views and dine in some excellent restaurants. Number 2. Kandy. Located amidst lush hills, Kandy is famous for the Temple of the Tooth, a significant Buddhist pilgrimage site. The Royal Botanical Gardens and the scenic Kandy Lake are also worth visiting. Number 3. Sigiriya. Climb the ancient rock fortress of Sigiriya, also known as Lion Rock. It offers breathtaking views of the surrounding plains and well-preserved frescoes. Number 4. Dambulla. Explore the Dambulla Cave Temple, a UNESCO World Heritage site, consisting of 5 caves filled with intricate Buddhist murals and over 150 Buddha statues. Number 5. Ella, a picturesque hill town known for its stunning views, hiking opportunities such as Little Adams Peak and Ella Rock, and the famous Nine-Arch Bridge. Number 6. Gali. Wander through the charming Gal Fort, a UNESCO World Heritage site, with cobblestone streets, colonial architecture, art galleries, and boutique shops. Number 7. Marissa and Nunuatuna. These beach destinations are perfect for relaxing, water sports, and whale watching. Number 8. Nuwara Elaya. Often called Little England, Nuwara Elaya boasts tea plantations, cool weather, and scenic landscapes. Don't miss a visit to a tea factory and enjoy the beautiful gardens. Number 9. Yala National Park, the most famous national park in Sri Lanka, offering a chance to spot leopards, elephants, and a variety of bird species during an exciting safari. Number 10. Anuradhapura. and Polonnaruwa, ancient cities with impressive ruins and archaeological sites, providing a glimpse into Sri Lanka's historical heritage. Number 11. Arugam Beach is a charming coastal town located on the eastern coast of Sri Lanka, known for its pristine and picturesque beach. It has become a popular destination for surfers due to its consistent waves, making it one of the best surf spots in the country. The laid-back and relaxed atmosphere of Arugam Bay attracts travelers seeking a tranquil beach getaway. Apart from surfing, visitors can enjoy swimming in the warm waters, lounging on the sandy shores, and witnessing stunning sunsets. The surrounding natural beauty and the friendly locals add to the appeal of this idyllic beach destination.